I'm here to kick off our market video series update for Irving Park for the month of November. While we are in the fall market and we all know that the fall market typically slows down, I've got some really exciting news that will show you some positive trends that are happening in the Irving Park market. Come with me and take a look. The one thing we need to know about the Irving Park market is for the year 2018, there have consistently been about 50 houses on the market at all times. But when we look at what those houses break down to by price point, we find that the lower the price point, the fewer the homes on the market, and the higher the price point, the more houses we have on the market, with the majority of the homes that are on the market being over $600,000, indicating that our upper price point homes are typically a little bit slower to sell. We then want to take a look at the homes that are currently under contract. And for the month of November, we have 4 homes under contract. And you can also look at the trend for the fall, where we're seeing fewer homes that have gone under contract. Again, let's drill down and take a look at the homes that are under contract, and this is where you're going to see a really pleasant surprise. And you will see that out of the 4 houses that we have under contract, 3 of them are in our upper price range of $600,000 or above, and the other 1 house that's under contract is in our second highest price point, which is between the $400,000 and $600,000 price point. So it's exciting to see that our upper price points is what is now selling in Irving Park. We then want to look at closings by price point, and that tells us a little bit of a different story, where the homes in the middle price ranges are what closed in the month of November. And then we also go to closings by month and see that we had 5 closings for the month of November. However, we saw 15 closings for the month of October. But keep in mind that when you are looking at closings, that those homes went under contract several months prior to when those closings took place. Another positive trend we're seeing is in the median sales price. We saw a huge jump there, also indicating that the homes that are selling are those in the upper price points. Our average days on market did jump up some, also indicating that the market is slowing this time of year, which is no surprise. Our average list price to sales price is consistent with about 97% on average, and that's very consistent with the overall market. Most homes sell for within 3% of list price, and always have. And what that tells us is that Irving Park is performing consistent with our overall market, and because that ratio is also consistent, it's telling us that homes have to be priced right in order to get an offer on those. Our average dollars per square foot went down a little bit, but that's kind of a hard metric because we really don't know without looking at the homes that sold why one may have sold and average at a lower dollars per square foot to bring that average down. And again, average dollars per square foot is not a metric we're supposed to use to value homes. We need to look more at the features of each of the individual homes with location, condition, updates, and more details like that. Now let's take a look at our absorption rate, and this is one of the best metrics that we've got to really tell us what's going on in our market. And this is where I think that we really see where the market is. And we can see that in the upper price point of $600,000 and above, we had 2.5 homes sell per month over the last 6 months. So right now, that gives us a current inventory of 6 months. We also see that consistent in the $400,000 to $600,000 range, where we also had approximately 2.5 homes sell per month, also giving us a current inventory of 6 months. 6 months is what we consider a balanced supply of inventory in our market. Anything above 6 months is considered an oversupply, and anything under 6 months is considered an undersupply, which is what we're seeing in the $250,000 to $400,000 price point. We only have 3 months of inventory, and again, in our lower price points under $250,000, there were only 3 homes sold that were in the last 3 homes sold in the last 6 months, and we have no inventory in that price point right now. So we are seeing some positive things with our upper end beginning to move. And if you want to find out more about how our current real estate market affects your particular home value, please reach out. We'll continue to track these trends and see how we're going to finish out the year 2018 on the Irving Park real estate market. I'm Michelle Porter with Berkshire Hathaway Yost & Little Realtors with Michelle Porter Realtors.